Hello, this is a Steinway Model O grand piano, 180 centimetres long, made in 1925. And we supplied the piano to this church in central London. They wanted particularly not to have a black piano, and we noticed a move away from black pianos, which we're very grateful for, because really the finish on the rosewood pianos and mahogany pianos is so stunning, and if it's French polished, then really it looks to me a lot more integral with a building like this. Now the piano has been fully restored. I just want to show you a little bit of the inside. I wasn't going to take the action out for this video. The purpose of this is really to encourage both non-black pianos, and also for buildings like churches. It's ideal really to have a piano like this to really, if you have a congregational singing, then it's wonderful to have a good piano to go with it, or just to give concerts, as they are actually going to give a piano recital on this concert soon. Now the building really is quite spectacular. Really enjoyed looking around the building as well as tuning the piano and checking the piano. But really right at the top there you can see some beautiful stained glass windows as well. So it's wonderful to have a piano that really integrates with the surroundings instead of having a black piano. So that's a Model O Steinway Grand, made in 1925. It was supplied to this central London church. Now of course it's the quality of the piano that's the most important thing, the tone and the touch. But a well restored Steinway of this age, there's nothing better in terms of tone. So we're always on the lookout for these top quality instruments, especially German pianos mostly. There are some Broadwoods that are excellent pianos too, some other English makes that make very good pianos, but mostly it's German pianos, Steinway, Bechstein, Bösendorfer and Blüthner. And we do try and source and supply as many of those as we can, and they are non-black pianos. If they're this sort of age, or even really anything from about 1880 can be a wonderful piano. Up to the beginning of the Second World War, up to about 1939, is the age of pianos that we're mostly trying to source, and they really are spectacular instruments. There were so many people in the trade in those days, so there was such a lot of competition, such a high standard of tone. So if you're interested in a piano, not necessarily for a church, but I particularly want to promote non-black pianos as something which we love to do. I say most pianos before the Second World War were non-black originally. If they are black now, that's because they've been refinished. And the non-black finish takes a lot longer to do, and this is French polish, so that obviously takes a long time as well, but I think it's worth doing. Thank you very much for listening. If you're interested, please do write to us, info@robertspianos.com.